Hello, I'm Lois Hermann, and I'm so excited to have been chosen to present two presentations at the 2024 NGH Convention and Education Conference on August 9th, 10th, and 11th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Join my seminar on growing a global following with virtual sessions. In this presentation, you'll receive some tips to be successful with clients across the world. I'll be sharing best practices that I've embraced over several years of exclusively doing virtual sessions, trainings, and certification programs. You'll receive important guidelines to help your clients succeed and your virtual business thrive. I'm also very excited to present a 2-hour workshop titled Discerning Past Lives, Spirit Lives, and Divine Guides. In this workshop, you'll discover techniques to help your clients gain relief from troubling memories, attached entities, and connect them with profound, true divine guides. You'll be empowered with tools to assist your clients, fascinating discovery journeys, and you'll even experience your own powerful connection. The NGH Convention in August is a valuable opportunity for you to continue to learn and grow as a hypnotist. The vast number of presentations offered gives every hypnotist the opportunity to take classes that fit your individual needs, along with the camaraderie of professional connections. I look forward to meeting you and sharing with you at this year's NGH Convention. Take my classes. Look me up. I'll see you there.